Hi guys! Welcome back again to my channel, and for today's vlog, magluluto po muli tayo ng isa pang recipe. So I hope samahan niyo po ako guys sa aking pagluluto. So meron po ako ditong 2 pieces of pork chop, and I'm going to cut it into strips. Ito lamang po ang sangkap na ating gagamitin for today's cooking. So I hope you like it guys, and if you are new to my channel and if you haven't subscribed yet, please do subscribe to my channel and click the bell button below for more updates. Ayan po guys. So meron din po ako ditong half piece ng red bell pepper, and I'm going to cut it into strips. Ayan guys. And mega love shout out po sa lahat ng mga nanonood sa aking video for today. Thank you so much guys for watching. And please do leave a comments down below if you have any comments or suggestions sa the way ng aking pagluluto. Ayan. And meron po ako ditong 1 piece of carrot, and I'm also going to cut it into strips. And you can also leave a comments down below kung saang bansa po kayo nanonood ng aking video, and I'm going to give you a shout out on my next vlogs. Ayan po guys. And also, I would like to say thank you so much to all my subscribers and all my channel membership. Thank you so much guys for all your support to my channel. May God bless each and every one of us. And also, gagamit po ako dito ng 1 medium size of onion, and I'm going to cut also into strips. And also a few cloves of garlic, and cut it also into small pieces. And for the sauce, gagamit po ako dito ng 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, 1 teaspoon of soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of sugar, 1 teaspoon of sesame oil, and 1 teaspoon of cornstarch, and also 1 teaspoon of ground black pepper. At saka po natin ito lagyan ng konting tubig. And then, i-mix natin po itong mabuti para mag-combine po lahat ang ating sauce. And then, after that, let's set aside at gagamitin po natin ito mamaya sa ating pagluluto. Ngayon, maglalagay po ako dito ng 1 tablespoon of cooking oil. And let's saute first our onions. Saute the onions for a few seconds. And now, let's put in our garlic and continue to fry until the aroma comes out. And now, let's add in our pork and continue to cook this for about 2 to 3 minutes until our pork becomes brown. Ayan po guys. So I would like to say thank you so much to all Team Suene families, Team Suene officials, and sa lahat po ng nanonood ng ating vlog for today. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat guys. I love you guys. And now, nag-brown na po ang ating pork. So hahaluin po muna natin ito kasi medyo dumikit po siya sa ating kawali. Saka po natin ilagay ngayon ang ating carrots and continue to cook for 1 minute. Para lumambot po siya ng konti. Ayan po, so after 1 minute, saka po natin ilagay ang ating green beans. And then, hahaluin natin ito para mag-combine po lahat ang ating ingredients. And guys, kung may suggestions po kayo guys na gustong lutuin, pwede po kayong mag-comments down below. And I'm trying my best to cook your kind of suggestions. And now, ilalagay po natin ang ating red bell pepper. Sa huli ko lang po nilagay ang red bell pepper kasi madali po itong baluto. And now, haluin po natin ito ng mabuti. And at this point, pwede na nating ilagay ang ating sauce. Ayan po guys. And let's continue to cook for another 2 minutes para sure na naluto po yung ating gulay. So ayan, ito po ang ating recipe for today. So kung nagustuhan nyo po guys, pwede po kayong pwede nyo pong i-share ang ating cooking vlogs for today. So, ayan guys. I hope nagustuhan nyo po ang ating cooking vlogs for today. And maraming salamat po guys sa inyong mga suporta sa aking channel. Ayan. Napakadali lamang po itong lutuin and simple recipe lamang po. So, luto na guys. So, itra-transfer po na natin ito sa ating serving plate. So, ayan guys. Thank you so much. And, inuubo na yata ko. And, ayan guys. So, dito lamang po nagtatapos ang ating cooking vlogs for today. So, I hope nagustuhan nyo po guys. Thank you so much guys. I hope to see you guys on my next